When people buy a Pokemon card from eBay, they usually only see one thing. It's the listing. They don't see all the prep work that took to get that card available to be posted online. I'm a full-time employee, I'm a husband, I'm a father, and I run almost every day. And despite all that, I'm trying to start a YouTube channel and a TCG business on eBay from the ground up. So today, I documented my entire day to answer one question. What does the day of a life of a part-time TCG eBay seller actually look like? Stick around to the very end to see what I pulled out of this miracle bulk box that I received. It weighed at 18 pounds and I had to be present from the post office in order to sign off for it. There's something pretty fun, but stick around till the end. In the meantime, let's see what my day was actually like. Every morning starts pretty much the same. Coffee for me, water bottles for everyone else. My wife works full-time as a nurse while also somehow managing to grow a tiny human. So staying hydrated is basically her full-time job too. Hey, sweet. You eat your applesauce? Once I drop off my daughter with my parents, it's time to switch gears. Family mode turns into work mode. This probably isn't what most people imagine. My office has officially become Pokemon card storage, which means my day job happens at the kitchen table. While working, I also had one eye on the Pokemon Center website. I spent more than 6 hours waiting in the virtual queue, only to come away completely empty-handed.
Water bottle,
Computer, set a timer. Lunch isn't exactly glamorous, but my girls like mac and cheese. Mine is a little bit different. Whenever I get a few free minutes between meetings, I try and make progress on this pile. It doesn't look like much, but somewhere in these cards is something that could completely change what I'm looking for out of this collection. Some days I feel like I'm making progress. Other days, it just feels like that pile keeps getting bigger. All right, work is finally slowing down. Time to get a few miles in before the evening chaos starts. Running has just absolutely become my reset button. It clears my head before starting with what honestly feels like my second job.
Workout completed. Time, 40 minutes, 35 seconds. Distance, 5 miles. Average pace, 8:07 per mile.
Hey, it's Coach.
Made of.
Dinner is one of the few times the entire day just slows down. The cards can wait, the listings can wait. Family comes first. Once the house gets quiet, it's finally time to get back to work on the cards. This is the moment that makes sorting thousands of cards all worth it. Buried inside this collection were some incredible finds. I paid right at $182 for this entire lot, and these raw cards alone more than make up for that. And a few are worth significantly more after grading. It's moments like this that keep me coming back to these giant collections. After the cards put away, there's still one more thing left to do. Because documenting every part of the journey feels like the last step. Hey, if you made it this far, thank you. This channel is not about finding expensive Pokemon cards to simply just post. It's about the journey. It's about starting something day by day from the ground up. Some days you're gonna find amazing things in bulk like I did today. Some days you're gonna wait in line on a virtual queue for 6 hours and come out empty-handed. But most days are gonna look pretty similar to what today was like. Running errands back and forth, dropping off kids, trying to sneak in a run, working full time, and all the things that weren't shown, sitting down for dinner, spending time with my wife. But I think it is important to document as much as I can, just to show the ordinary life of what it's like to run something like this. And remember, journey before destination. I'll see you in the next one.